This is my new canary. He's super cute. And he peeps a lot. He's quiet now because he's eating though. You're eating! Don't bother me when I'm eating! I'm so hungry! Ooh! Look at his super cute cage I made too. Check it out. I'm in the jungle, man. Look at his bling. Yellow rhinestones and beads. And a butterfly. And a yellow ribbon on a pulley system that I rigged myself. Hopefully it's trustworthy and it won't crash. But look how cute he is, yeah. So I got a millet and a little scratchy thing, and he's got a little heart-shaped bird bath. And there he is. Here's the full-on version. Ooh, sparkly like a rave. Woo! Say goodbye.